Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. For that, the first thing that you must do is head over to settings on your device. After that, you can tap on apps and then tap on Roblox. Under Roblox, tap on permissions and make sure that Roblox has access to your microphone. If not, you'll have to set it to allow only while using the app. The other thing that you must do is head over to your app drawer and open up Roblox on your device. Once you have opened up Roblox, what you can do is simply tap on the three lines at the top at the bottom right of your screen, and then you can tap on your profile. You must verify that you are at least 13 plus. After you've verified that, you can simply head over to settings on your device and then tap on privacy and content restrictions. Once you're here, what you can tap on is communication, and then you can tap on experience chat. After that, simply toggle on experience chat, after which Roblox will ask you to verify your age. You must hit continue and open the camera for an age check. After Roblox verifies that you are at least 17 years old, you will be able to use voice chat on your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.